Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to block your Instagram story from specific people. So basically, if you upload a story and you want to hide it or block it from particular people, particular accounts, you could just follow these steps and have it hidden from them. So what you do is you click on your profile icon, just go on to this, and now select the three lines at the top right, and at the bottom of your screen now you could see the settings option. Go into that and select privacy, which is the third option from the top. And in here now, under the interactions section, go to story, fourth option from the top. And in here you could just select hide story from, just click on this. Three people, I've already selected these three accounts which would be unable to see my story. Now here are my followers as well. I could select these if I like, and since my account is public, I could just add in any more accounts which I want. So let's say I just type in something at random, and I just select these at random just to demonstrate the process to you. And now I'd click on this arrow and my story would be hidden from six people. Now I could just review all these people. So these are the accounts which I have selected. They would be unable to view any stories which I upload, and since they would not be able to see them, I have effectively blocked them from viewing my story. So this is how you would block anybody from viewing your Instagram story.